Hey guys, Cam here, and in recent years, companies have been having something of a field day with glass back designs, whether it's Apple, Huawei with its awesome twilight finish, or Oppo with its own stunning glass gradients and patterns. They're all at it, including OnePlus, a company that's released more than one special edition phone. And this year, that trend continues. It may not look it from the front because of its black skinny frame, that same huge 6.41 inch display plus that tiny dewdrop notch style, but this thunder purple OnePlus 6T is a little bit different to the other two black 6T models. Turn it around and you'll see one of this year's best looking phones. Thunder Purple is so called according to Pete Lau, the company's CEO, because the black gradient seeping into the purple reminds him of a lightning storm. What's really cool about this finish though is that when you move it or look at it from a different angle, the colours seem to shift and darken or lighten, and the glass features that same S-curve reflection as the Midnight Black model. It's achieved by having really tiny perforations in the layer beneath the frosted glass exterior. And to make sure it's a consistent finish throughout, this black to purple gradient is matched on the metal frame around the outside. So at the top it has the same black finish as the Midnight Black model, but it gradually shifts into a lighter, almost lilac colour. Now, this Thunder Purple edition is available to buy now from OnePlus. It's available as an 8GB RAM model with 128GB of storage, and it costs £529. Of course, don't forget to check out our full written OnePlus 6T review, which I'll leave a link for in the description below. There's also an extensive tips and tricks guide on the site, or a shorter video version that you can click to below as well. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button to see more. I'll see you again soon.